Hello and welcome to another drawing video. In today's video we're going to be drawing a gingerbread lady or gingerbread woman. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we start, we're going to need a few drawing supplies.
We need markers.
We need a marker, to do the drawing on some paper.
Yep.
Yep, and then we need something to colour in with as well.
We can use markers, paint, pencils, oil pastels, or crayons.
Yeah, anything you like, as long as it's nice and colourful and you have lots of fun. Alright, so you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're going to start with drawing our gingerbread lady. We're going to make her look really cute. So to start off with, we're going to draw a really big circle, or more of an oval actually, for the head. So this is quite a big shape, so I like to break it down into multiple lines. So we could do a little curve like that. And if it makes it easier, you can actually turn the paper and just keep drawing around curve for the head like that. So nice and large.
I'm looking like a sideways oval.
Yeah, there we go. Nice big oval. Awesome, we could do it in one big go like that. Great. Alright, so next part we're going to draw is start drawing some of the details of the face. So I think we'll start off with the eyes. Now this one here,
It's down so low.
yeah, we're going to start off doing a little curve like this. And this is the cheeks, because it's going to be cute little characters, going to have little chubby cheeks.
Kind of like she's blinking.
Yeah, so on top of that, we draw a little bit of a circle. Some of it's going to be hidden behind the line there like that. Nice big eyes. Again, to make things look cute, normally if you make the shapes and proportions look really big and round, that makes it look really cute. Alright, so inside that, we're going to draw
another little circle.
Another circle. These are for the pupils. And I like to add highlights. So in that circle, I'm going to add another 2 circles like that. This makes it look like that there's light reflecting off the eyes. Now you can colour in the eyes any colour you like. I am just going to colour these in black while we are doing that right now. Very quickly. Okay. Alright, so next part I think we are going to draw is the mouth. So she's a gingerbread lady, so she's going to have a nice big smile. Nice big smile like that. Now because we're going to make her cute and she's got chubby little cheeks, we're going to put 2 little curves around her like that at the end of the mouth. Yeah. Yep. And we're going to give her rosy cheeks on the side as well. You can colour those in a little bit differently later. Alright, and then we're going to draw her hair. Now, because this is gingerbread, if this was a real gingerbread, you'll probably use icing. So we're going to draw her hair, it's just going to be a line going like that. So I'll show you.
Are you?
Yes.
Stop.
So that looks like it's her hair. And then we draw another line, so it's like this. And that's her hair there. And you can colour that in later as well. Great. Alright, so let's draw her body. So we'll make her, I guess, wearing a dress. So we'll do a little bit of a curved line. That's going to be the bottom of her clothing. Yep. And then we're going to just join it up with the head. Just go a straight line up at a slight angle. Join the body there. Yep. Great. Next we're going to draw is her arms.
Just a kind of a stretch out U.
It is, yeah. So it's kind of that sort of shape. Nice and round on both sides.
And we can put a little
Yeah, we'll put in some details.
Yep.
So again, if this was a real gingerbread person that we're making, it would use icing. But what we're going to do is going to create 2 lines on the arm. That looks like it'll be the end of her sleeve. And we'll draw another one there. Great. Now let's decorate her clothing. In the middle, I'm going to draw
Some M&Ms.
2 ovals. Yeah, it could be M&Ms or it could be gummies or something like that. Great. Now I've got a bit of space. I'm going to put some details on here so it looks like it's the details of the clothing.
A curve.
Yeah, so again, if this was real gingerbread lady, you'd probably use icing for this. Alright, let's just go up there like that. There we go. Awesome. Okay.
To do her legs.
Yeah, lucky last is her legs. Or
It's
her,
another U-shape.
yeah,
2.
it's just 2 little bumps there on the bottom there, or her feet. Okay, great, that's all done. So
Now it's time to colour.
now it's time to colour in. So we're going to fast forward this part, but we'll be back very soon. Alright, and we're back. So we finished colouring in, and I think they look wonderful. They actually look really delicious. Are you happy with yours? Great. So I've added some details in mine. I've added some shading as well to give it a bit of more depth, and I've added some little dots everywhere so it looks like a texture of gingerbread. And you've coloured in yours nicely as well, and you've got some decorations there as well for, I guess, for Christmas. Yeah. All right.
There's a Christmas here.
Yeah, and does indeed. Very good. Alright, so thanks for watching. We hope you had lots of fun. And please make sure to check out our other videos. But we'll see you next time.
Bye.